Hi you guys.
It ain't actually you to talk.
No, I am. Hi guys. Hi. This is the start of a new vlog. Yeah, start of a new vlog. It's crazy because now that I'm thinking about it, when I edit this, I need to make sure I add in that clip that I made when I unboxed that wig, okay? Actually, and it's not even like they pay me to make a review. I'm just gonna make my own review as if speaking into existence. So I might not add that video into this vlog, but I will make sure I make note of it for when I do need to use that video. I can just make a separate vlog for that if I decide to do that. But y'all, I'm missing my song, trying to turn it down. It doesn't matter. It's April 14th, guys. I am currently at my wax place, about to get a wax. I might show you guys because I don't remember when I first got a wax. I need to go into my documents, but I've been getting them done. I started getting them done last year, so this might be my 5th, 6th wax. I've been getting them done a lot. So, but I just started getting. I'm 26, so I just started getting waxes. I wasn't up on game about it and stuff. But yeah, so I am currently waiting on my appointment. I got off. One thing about this job, it's kind of hard to schedule things because you don't know what time you're gonna get back to the station, which I do not like about that. I don't like that. I don't like that. So I got off a little kind of early. I mean, I guess you could say it was early. I got back to the station at 5, which is, it's kind of late to me. But so I set up an appointment. Everything that I was supposed to do last weekend, I'm doing it this weekend. So here we are. And I know I look crazy, guys. I literally just got out of work. This is what I had on today because I had no intentions on I didn't really expect for me to even be going to work today, but I ended up going. So got my shirt in the seat. I took my shoes off. I'm literally just kicking shit, y'all. Waiting. But I got the front spot. Normally when I pull up, I always gotta pull in the fucking back there. Y'all can't see. It's like a parking over there, but I'm right here in the front. But yeah, I'm just waiting on my wax, and I just want to come on here and chit chat with you guys. Start the vlog off, start the season of this weekend and this week and stuff like that. I had took my drug test for my other job today, and so yeah, there's that, guys. I will probably, like I said, vlog my face, but we'll see. My phone's gonna die anyway. Okay, guys, it is Saturday, April 16th. It's Thursday, April 16th, and I am at the nail shop. I decided to go to the one that's by my house. Both of the nail salons that I can go to, they open up at 10, so I'm getting my nails done. I got my wax, getting my nails, and I get my hair done tomorrow. And yes, come on me on this maintenance vlog.
Run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and bubble hole. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in, coming, fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, ho. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Tag glow.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Friday, April 17th. I am currently on my way to my storage so I can get my stuff packed for this weekend. Yes, guys. Just showing you guys what's going on right now. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully, I have a lot of stuff to do today. I might show you guys all of the other errands that I have to run. I need to go to like the beauty supply to get some makeup blenders. I don't wear makeup, but I want to wear it for this weekend only because I just got my hair done. I mean, I'm getting my hair done, and the type of style that I'm getting is not an ordinary style that I wear every day like my real hair. So I just want to look pretty. I want to look cute, and when I do because I do my own makeup, so when I do makeup, you know, I want it to just be nice. So yeah, so first things first, I am about to go and get my suitcase, come back home, pack all my stuff up. I'm really not gonna leave out the house to run all my errands till about 11. I want to push all of my errands and stuff closer to the time when I have to go and get my hair done later on. And so yeah, the style that I was gonna originally have my hair up in, like I was gonna do a half up, half down type of look. I'm talking about just what I was gonna put my hair up in this morning. But my hair did. Ooh. Fuck. Y'all caught that all on camera. Damn, what the hell? Oh, I'm about to almost get into a whole accident. I don't know if it's these lashes, baby. I can't see. I don't know what it is. But, Okay. So. Got the star. It's a star. So yeah. I wish my skin was a little bit more smoother. I mean, but it ain't the worst thing in the world. I have my little flare-ups or whatever you want to call that. As long as it's not dark spots. And y'all, my freaking tongue, I wish y'all could see. I have a cut on my tongue from whatever the fuck I had, like whatever it came from. I'm sorry y'all for cussing. I'm so sorry. If you see me cussing throughout this vlog, I am not trying to do that. I have a cut and it's just very annoying. It hurts so bad to even talk for real because my fucking tongue hurt. It hurts to even really sit here and talk. But let me go in here and look for this suitcase. And I need to look for, damn, I didn't even bring my water. They said to drink cold water. Did I show y'all my nails? I kind of showed y'all. They really cute. Like it's I'm trying to like let them grow on me. I've gotten French tip before, but I don't know. They cute though. I just cannot wait to get my hair done, y'all, later on. And I'm trying to think if I should go and get. See, I didn't calculate all this extra shit that I'm talking about. Getting my eyebrows done. Cause if I put makeup on, I can make it do what it do. But if I wasn't putting makeup on, then I probably would have wanted to get my eyebrows threaded. But we'll see, y'all. We'll see. Okay, I'll chit chat with y'all later.
When you go, I guess where you've gone before.
Hey, family. Okay, y'all. So I'm going out of town tonight. I'm about to do my makeup. I get my hair done in 2 hours. And I just want to look pretty. If the makeup don't come out right, I'm taking it off. Okay? I'm taking it off. I'm getting my hair done. If the makeup don't look right, I'm taking it off. I wish I just woke up from a nap, so I'm still a little jaded. Okay, sorry, I don't know what happened. If I'm even using that terminology right. I had picked up me some beauty blenders. This is for my powder. This is for my foundation. Someone told me a trick about using the toothpicks. I mean the cotton swabs, but I don't have no cotton swabs no more. I don't know who got cotton swabs. I might just have to use this. Blend it in. I don't know if I should start. I don't know if I should start with.
Collision slow everything down. Got to make a Park Landing quality out in 294, 9800 Tunis Road and the Blythewood Road at McNulty, Emmanuel Church at Keto Aiken, I-26 west of I-20. Exit 1300 Dutch Fork now.
They want me to damp it.
I-20 collision report. Hurry up. Traffic flowing 3 to 50 p.m. This traffic
ElectricChevroletColumbia.com.
Damn, I'm gonna have to. Okay, so I'm probably gonna spin this up because I want to listen to my music and play my Okay.
Big dog status, Bell Harbor. I bought Lennox Mall for my brothers. Gold yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. For leak water, trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curse gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that bap, I'm a smash. Real nigga alert, I'm preparing a bag. Piping a bitch, and ain't then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't moving past. Trapping or rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, I'm bound, I'm a brick. Work on your bitch, and I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit. Painkiller, got my little demons on gold. They ready to hit with the stick. Painkillers, got my little bitch on gold. She ready to eat up the dick. My main hitters, call up the gang members. They was already on the lick. Hanging with Migos, all these drugs and guns. Think we Mexican. Man.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss.
Aquarius, baby.
How long is gonna take?
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, got a little bad email. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making right, wait for your ends. And you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just switched the city. city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some free-for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first-name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was.
Yeah, you know, these bitches hating, wish that they was living in my skin.
Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the
I need some scissors. I need to cut this flower. I don't know how they grew this. They put the crack in it. Oh, tough. Y'all don't wanted me to make a miracle out of 50 cents and a quarter. Out of the loaves of bread and 5 loaves. Hey.
Chose my Japanese you for a chain and give it to a sweet one called out Maya Jama. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. Used to do lean and walk. Closet full up with designer. Coming like
Good morning, guys. As you guys can see, I am out of town. I am in ATL, my hometown. And yeah, guys. I'm just running excuse me. I'm just running to the store really quickly, and I'll chit chat with y'all later, y'all. I didn't sleep with my rag on last night, so this is how my hair look. All right, talk to y'all later. Oh Lord, it was an accident. I'm gonna miss this view. Yes, guys, we are packing up, leaving. My nephew had a great time yesterday. And yeah, we is checking out. I'll see y'all probably in the next clip. He in the bed though. I gotta make sure my it's so crazy that I'm even vlogging, y'all. I think about that all the time. Like, I used to talk about vlogging so much. And now that I'm doing it, it's like, wow. But yes, y'all, I'm on the way back home. I had a good time. Yeah, I had a good time. I'm literally, I don't know where I am, to be honest. That's not probably good when you're traveling. But I be doing this so much. It's like, but yeah, so I'm on the way back home. I should get there. I don't know how. Like I said, y'all, my watch been dead. I haven't cared to charge my watch, so it's 12:20. It's like 12. It may be like 12:23, 12:24 right now, and I got on the road like around 11:30 or something, like shit, really around the same time, basically. So I've been driving for an hour, and I definitely know I have 2 hours. I don't even think I made it out of Georgia yet. I haven't crossed lines yet. It looks like it. It still looks like I'm just. Yeah, like I'm gonna be going to cause I think I already passed. Yeah, I already passed Covington. All that stuff. I'm definitely probably gonna be going into soon, like seeing North Augusta signs soon. And I hope you guys can hear me with all this noise, cause even though my air on, that's not what's making it sound whimsical. It's the road. It's me driving. But yeah, guys, I had a great weekend. It was a long weekend. I cannot wait to like get back to regular program, which is cool to me. Like, I'm fine. I feel like this was a very needed trip, and I had a great time, you know, to spend with my family, get to see my nephew, and yeah, just so excited. So excited. I'll chit chat with y'all later, y'all. I'll probably see y'all in the next vlog and stuff. But yeah.